The Bangko Sentral has kept rates relatively tight. Now, for the average Filipino, how do interest rate decisions affect mortgages, business loans, and even grocery bills?
Oh, well, basically, I guess you have to understand that the rate cuts that the central bank has been doing is to be able to try lower the cost of business. So it's like uh, accelerating a slowing economy by lowering the cost of doing business. Uh, we should eventually see the low interest rate lowering the cost of business. So the challenge really is being able to see them through. But the problem is the transmission sometimes is not as fast. It's not like taking medicine, it will take effect in 30 minutes. It's probably going to take maybe a 6 to 12 month lag. So this is eventually a challenge. That's why we continue to monitor whether we could see more of these cuts, especially with the present inflation risk.
So how can we go over that hurdle of the challenges that you've mentioned?
So basically, I guess for companies, again, you need to be able to try lowering your cost. Look at probably your cost or raw materials if you can source it domestically. Look for other suppliers from other countries that can offer it cheaper. On the other hand, for locals, definitely it's really a little bit of tightening. So whether you're looking at it from a um, individual or a SME, you need to
Yeah.
look at it with SRP. First, your idea is to survive. The second is to be able to pivot with the new environment. So that means looking at your business 360 degrees, where you can cut corners, cut costs, and then eventually try to repurpose people or assets. And probably one of the key answers is really digitalization.